All right, so this is the ABZ L30. Like I said, the XAG P100 Pro and the 150, those are massive drones. Those are huge, huge drones. These are gonna come in at 30 liters. They are still gonna say they're gonna spray in the area 45-ish acres an hour. That's a number that I think is conceivable in ideal, perfect conditions. I think that the controlling is extremely well on it, and I think the transmission system is great. The transmission system reminds me exactly of the T50. Getting to where I like this a lot, this drone does have LiDAR. So turn into something that is going to have a major, major impact in the market, especially with the tariffs. This coming from Hungary. I'll get this closer to us so we can kind of see a little bit of it. So as you can see, this is the LiDAR unit right here. This allows us to do so much in the field. That lets us do some pinpoint mapping and some very unique flight route planning, spacing, things like that. Man, I'm really impressed with the L30. I really am. I really think it's going to make a big splash. I know Drone Nerds and ABZ have partnered together, and they've kind of brought me in to do the testing with it in the field, and it gets my check. I think it's going to do great. It's going to be running on one of my trucks, and I think it's going to be, there's some, and that's the thing that we're getting to, we're reaching the precipice in the drone market where you've got the huge drones, and then you've got the small drones, and then you've got the ones that are going to run middle ground. And I think the L30 is going to run middle ground with the option. ABZ is never going to stop innovating. I mean, they're going to continue. User interface was a little bit different to get used to. Once we got used to it, it's not that bad. It's just took a little bit. Today we have pretty high winds, and it's handling the winds just fine. I mean, it's taking the routes. I mean, we're getting gusts. Of course, we're not spraying or doing anything today. Very nimble, more nimble than the 50. I mean, it is extremely nimble.